Hi, I'm Taylor with BTOD.com. Today we're going to do an unboxing and assembly of the Yes chair from OfficeMaster. Now this is how our chair arrived, and it does come with easy to lift handles on the sides because this chair does weigh approximately 60 pounds. And we do suggest that you have someone help you lift the box. Let's get into the unboxing. Remove all parts from the box. Place the base on the floor. Remove the red cap from the cylinder and place the larger end into the middle of the base. Next, you're going to set the seat on top of the cylinder. Align the hole on the bottom of the seat with the top of the cylinder and press down firmly. Next, you're going to attach the backrest by sliding it onto the back mount. Make sure that the ratchet piece is on the outside of the back mount. Next, align the hole on the ratchet piece to the bottom hole on the back mount. Attach using the provided hex screw. Next, identify the armrests. There is an L on the bottom of the left armrest and an R on the bottom of the right. Hold down the arm width lever on the bottom of the armrest and slide it into the correct arm bracket. Release the lever so it slides into one of the holes on the bottom arm bracket. Repeat these steps for the other armrest. Then your chair is complete. And that is the unboxing and assembly of the Yes chair from OfficeMaster. If you do have any other further questions, feel free to reach out to us. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.